Yo, what's up, Learning Machines? Welcome back to another video. So, how can you make $10,000 per month and more than that, way more than that as well, just by working with me? Okay, so you can be an affiliate for not only the Money Accelerator, but also other programs and offers that I have, like the coaching calls and the other few offers that I have actually. But the Money Accelerator converts like crazy. Okay, it's ridiculous. And the reason why is just because I combined, and I always am going to be combining more and more value together for people inside of that offering. So basically it's $97 a month. And I'm not asking you to pay anything right now. If you pay for the Money Accelerator and invest in the Money Accelerator, you're going to get tons of value and knowledge and tons of methods you can take advantage of and make a lot of money with the knowledge and methods that you get inside. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about how you can, it should be a link down below in the description, but you can apply to become an affiliate. And you get 60% commission, which is a really high commission, especially when it's a recurring offer like this. So if I was you and didn't, and maybe you do want to create an offer, but I know in the beginning, if I was a beginner, when I first started, I'd want to promote this offer because this offer is recurring. And it pays a lot when it's recurring and people stick with it. And I mean, the value is insanely valuable inside. And here is how you promote it if you're convinced now that you want to promote it. Basically, the best way to promote it is every day. I naturally am making content every day. And so if you cut up clips of the content and re-upload it to TikTok, re-upload it to your own YouTube Shorts YouTube channel, and any YouTube channel you want, you don't have to do YouTube Shorts, you don't have to do TikTok. That's a really good method because content can get way more exposure and get out there way more when you do that method. But if you do a separate whole entire YouTube channel and just edit and re-upload these videos that I make, you can crush it. Just literally go Google YouTube video downloader and download all my videos, okay? All the best videos and even more. And then just literally schedule them for upload and have them upload daily onto YouTube. And you're going to get sales of the Money Accelerator. But even better is cut up the content and before other people download the content, you should download the content and then go quickly re-upload it as it's Creative Commons, which means you can re-upload it. You don't have to make it fair use or anything. And so that's the licensing I have on my content that I'm giving you guys. You can straight up go download it and re-upload it. Basically, that's what that means. And so you as an affiliate, this is a massive opportunity because you don't really have to do anything. But I will say this, the best affiliates for the Money Accelerator right now are the affiliates where they're making original content. So they're talking about money and things they're learning and results they're getting and how much money they're making doing whatever they're doing. If it's affiliate marketing or if it's promoting the Money Accelerator, they're talking about that, okay? These are what the biggest affiliates are doing. They're making original content. So you could do the same. You can crush it just by doing that as well. And I recommend combine the two. Re-upload my content because the content's already made for you. I'm already putting in the time to do it. But if you also make your own content as well, that sets you apart and that will get you way more results. And it'll get you to $10,000 a month really, really quickly. Now do the math. So if you make 60%, that's in between $50 to $60 a month. To make 10,000 a month, you're gonna need maybe 200 people-ish, between 100 and 200 people, okay? You can easily do that. All you have to do, if you just re-upload all my videos, you can, and if the videos perform well and you make good thumbnails and titles and everything, you're gonna at least get up to 10 to 50 people. And that's if it does well. And don't forget, they're always gonna keep getting views and getting found. And people will be always clicking your links and going and buying. And so that's really, really powerful. And then if you make original content, that helps your channel way more and your marketing and everything. And it makes people want to buy. And so make review videos of it, show results you're having, share things you're learning and knowledge you have and things you're an expert on. And people are going to buy as soon as you recommend in every video the Money Accelerator. And this is just a great way to make money. I really believe in this offer more than anything I've ever created. And the only offers I've ever created are in this personal brand and the courses. And I combined them all together inside the Money Accelerator. And I'm doing giveaways every month. And I'm giving a new course every month and everything like that. And these are the offers I've made in my life, is with the personal brand. I've always promoted affiliate offers and still do, but I'm just really proud of this freaking offer. And I mean, I promote a lot of affiliate offers. I mean, thousands at this point in all sorts of niches and verticals at this point. And this is one of my favorite offers I've ever had / promoted and ever seen, because I'm building it myself, and I'm just going to make it better and better and better over time here. So if you want to become an affiliate, I highly recommend also get the Money Accelerator, so you can be inside and you can learn and you can have an authentic recommendation to people. You're going to make way more money back, and plus it's a tax write-off for you, and plus it's a massively great investment for you, because the best investment is literally into yourself, and that's what this whole entire program and system and everything's about. It's about you. It's about making your skills go through the roof. It's about your knowledge going through the roof. It's about all of that. And so I just don't know anything better than that, other than invest in other people's programs, other people's courses, watch tons of videos, read tons of books and all this stuff. And that's how you get really far. But regarding this video and what this is all about, sign up down below, become an affiliate, implement what I'm telling you here in this video, all the tactics, such as download the YouTube videos and all the new YouTube videos and upload them to YouTube, upload them to TikTok, upload them to freaking Facebook, upload them everywhere, and have your affiliate link out there, and you're just going to get sales naturally. It's very powerful stuff, and it's just so easy. I mean, what's easier than that, you know? So there you go, guys. That's a powerful method you can leverage. Just promoting the Money Accelerator here. And also stay tuned at the end of this month, because I have a very powerful method and course and program coming out at the end of this month that can change a lot of people's lives. And the method, basically what it is, it's super easy effort and work. And I've seen examples of this method like all the time, and it's like free to do. And if you get lucky, and it doesn't require much luck at all, because it's just crazy how this method works, you can make 6 figures and have a business that will last forever, basically, for you from this method. It's ridiculous. So you'll learn what that is at the end of this month. Hop in now so you can consume all the content and knowledge inside of the program of the Money Accelerator, and then you can be ready when it's released at the end of this month on the 30th or the 1st of next month, just around that time. And that's gonna be crazy. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching Learning Machines, and peace out.